no. What happened?
Falling down. Cherry blossom falling down. Falling down. Falling down. Cherry blossom falling down. Pick them up again. Cherry blossom falling down. Falling down.
Now sit and
falling
cycle.
down. Cherry blossom falling down. Come back again. Cherry blossom falling down. Falling down. Falling down. Cherry blossom falling down. Come back again.
Oh. You want to cycle anymore?
No. I have to go back.
Sure.
Yes. Cherry blossom falling down.
Look at the lovely
falling
tree
down,
and the daffodils.
falling down. Cherry blossom falling down.
You want to see the daffodils? Look at the cherry blossoms falling down. Oh.
Catch it. Can I get one?
You want to pick some?
Yeah, from the trees.
Alright.
Pick me up.
Huh?
Pick me up.
You can't do that.
Why?
Look, catch them as they fall. And give it a little shake.
Catch it.
You get one.
I get one from the bottom.
Don't pick it up.
Why?
Touch it and see. Why do you want to tear it?
I want to get one and show it.
Shall we keep it in your cycle bag?
Shall we tie it? Put it on.
Put it in your bag.
To keep it safe. Cherry blossom falling down, falling down, falling down. Cherry blossom falling down. Come back again up on the tree.
I know the tune. I know it.
Cherry blossom falling down, falling down, falling down. Cherry blossom falling down. Come back again.
Alright, shall we go back home?
Yeah.
Alright.
Actually, cherry blossom falling down, falling down, falling down. Cherry blossom falling down.